Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off new YouTube desktop redesign watch page. So if you go to YouTube and then select a specific video right here and you have access or you have activated this redesign or new design of this YouTube, this is what it looks like. So basically we have here or they have the video and then on the right side you see the information and then comments, and this is really the new design. So in case that you don't like this new feature or new design of YouTube right here, and if you just want the old version or the old design of YouTube like this, so you have to click the three lines here, tap this one, and then you have to scroll down till you see this test this feature, tap this. And what you're going to do now is you have to scroll down and turn this one off. So if you don't want your YouTube to be redesigned or this redesigned watch page, you just have to click this turn off right here. And then you can go back to your YouTube and then refresh. And you will see the old layout of the YouTube. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.